front of me is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, go into Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner and click on Files section. Now you can tap on one of those apps. Select those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sections. Or even tap on Audio and Video filters at the top. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hold your file that you wish to add and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added to text message. If you're struggling to add a video one using Files section, click on Gallery instead. Then tap on one of your videos. Select one of those options, in my case video, and hit Add at the top right corner, bottom right corner, sorry. So when I do that, as you can see, my video file was added as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!